In the year 2024, the technology and convenience has come together. Digital voice recorders has become indispensable companion for sharing, capturing and preserving the spoken words. This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about AI voice recorder from Plaid, which is empowered by ChatGPT. All new smartphones are introducing AI features in the new flagship, but I am using a Plaud Note which can help you to record any phone calls, team meetings, and you can convert the team meeting into text into various languages. Let's jump into it and let's download the Plaud Note app on your smartphone. Connect the Bluetooth with the Plaud Note and it will take a few seconds to pair it successfully. A very capable credit card size note-taking voice recorder. After holding the Plaud Note in our hands is its thickness. It is just 3 mm thick as per the specification. The entire device is made of aluminum alloy and you can feel how sturdy it is. It comes with a magnetic rig and a magnetic charger crate in the package, adding further convenience and ease of use. Plaud Note is a Magsafe case that securely connects to the back of an iPhone. If your phone doesn't have Magsafe, you can use the included metal ring sticker on the back of your phone. The Plaud Note is a digital voice recorder. With the press of single button, you can record any phone calls, meetings, and whatever you want. To record a phone call, snap the Plaud Note on the back of the smartphone and just slide up the button like this.
हेलो अस्सलाम सर ये 3 पानी चाहिए था मुझे बड़ी बोतल नहीं होती 3 पानी 80 नंबर बिल्डिंग है 3 में ओके इतना दे दो मतलब कैश नहीं कार्ड लेके आना वो कैश तो अभी आ जाता है.
Plaud Note gives an option for voice cancellation. After recording your voice, you can change it.
कैश हाँ ठीक है कैश है मेरे पास तो आप आ जाओ अभी आ जाओ चलो अभी आ जाओ ठीक है करो.
Coming to the AI feature of Plaud Note AI voice recorder, the transcription features work very well apart from a few mistranscribed words.
हेलो अस्सलाम सर ये 3 पानी चाहिए था मुझे बड़ी बोतल नहीं होती.
When you record a call, it's indicated as a call with a green color text. It's time to do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. How was the performance of Plaud Note voice recorder? Let us begin with the regular voice recorder stuff.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. This is a testing sound. I'm using Plaud Note for voice recording, and this is the AI transcriptor voice recorder, and I'm testing the sound quality, how it's translating the sound, and I'm using English language, so I will pick the English transcription selection.
I have recorded the voice in English and let's try to transcribe the voice using the English language with the meeting note selection and see the result.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. This is a testing sound. I'm using Plaud Note for voice recording, and this is the AI transcriptor voice recorder, and I'm testing the sound quality, how it's translating the sound, and I'm using English language, so I will pick the English transcription selection.
Plaud Note also gives an option to export audio data, and let's share the voice notes on WhatsApp and see the result.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. This is a testing sound. I'm using Plaud Note for voice recording, and this is the AI transcriptor voice recorder.
Now let's share the text summary of the voice note on the other social media accounts and check the output. It also gives an option to share mind map visualization, and you can share with other social media accounts. The quality of recording is really good, and there are tons of customization with the help of the smartphone app. With the press of a single button, you can record phone calls, team meetings, classes, and whatever you want.
मैं अभी उर्दू में बात कर रहा हूँ और देखते हैं कि इसकी साउंड कैसी है और ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कैसा करता है, क्योंकि उर्दू में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और मैं प्लेड नोट यूज़ कर रहा हूँ टेस्टिंग के लिए कि इसकी वॉइस ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कैसी है। एआई वॉइस ट्रांसक्रिप्शन टेस्टिंग कर रहा हूँ।
देखते हैं कि इसकी साउंड कैसी है और ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कैसा करता है, क्योंकि उर्दू में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और ये मैं प्लेड नोट यूज कर रहा हूँ टेस्टिंग के लिए।
Plaud Note pre-order has already started. What are you waiting for? And you can find the links down below in the video description. If you are interested in MetaQuest VR headset videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.